Hello students, welcome to my new channel Rasayanik Videos. My name is Anita Hulsurkar and I am teaching you a subject chemistry. Okay, so now our today's topic is some basic questions. So we are learning today some basic questions and some basic reagents. So now these reagents we should know about the role. Okay, these reagents have some basic rules, so we are discussing here. So now this first question is this molecule is reacting with the NH3 molecule and with base. This is first step and this is second step. Okay, this is ammonia molecule and this nitrogen contains the lone pair of electrons. Okay, this nitrogen contains the lone pair of electrons and this lone pair of electrons will get attacked on this side. Okay, now how the molecule will form? Yes, tell me. This N here. 1 minute. This lone pair of electron will attack on this side and this double bond will get into nitrogen atom. How the molecule will be formed now? This double bond will get removed. Here negative charge will come because the nitrogen has only two bonds now. Therefore the negative charge will come. Okay, so now here Cl and this is NH2. Okay, so now next step, what is the next step? This nitrogen containing negative charge, this will again react, will occur with double bond and the Cl gets removed because Cl is the good leaving group. This Cl is the good leaving group. Cl is the good leaving group, that Cl gets automatically removed. So now next step, what will occur? Now here this molecule again come back into this position. Here Cl, here negative charge will get converted into double bond. Here Cl gets removed, only NH2 will remain. Okay, got this point up to this clear? Okay, so now our next step, first step we have covered here. So now next step is ETOH. ETOH means what? Ethyl alcohol. ETOH means what? Ethyl alcohol. That we can also write CH3 CH2OH. Okay, this is the short form of ethyl alcohol. Now ETOH. What is ETOH? Ethyl alcohol acts as a base. Ethyl alcohol acts as a base and it can here in this base the oxygen contains lone pair of electrons. Oxygen contains lone pair of electrons. This also gets attack on this position. Attacks on this position. So now here double bond will get towards the nitrogen. Same process here. Okay. So now next step is nitrogen. Here nitrogen gets negative charge and here NH2 and here Cl and here OET, that is ethoxide, and this. So now the last step, what is the last step? This negative charge will get here and the Cl will get removed. Why? Because the Cl is a good leaving group. Okay, So now next step is, sorry, here OET and here NH2. This is the final product. This is the final product. Okay. So now second question will be here. So now here second example is our this molecule. This is molecule and this molecule, it getting reacts with this molecule. Okay. So now here how the reaction occurs, how the reaction proceeds to a forward. How? Now see here, first of all, O, this is R, means alkyl group. Any alkyl group we can put here. Okay. So now here ammonia, nitrogen. Here nitrogen is present. So that's why आपल्याला हे कळायला पाहिजे की नायट्रोजन प्रेझेंट आहे, म्हणजे नायट्रोजन प्रेझेंट आहे म्हणजेच त्याच्यावरती लोन पेअर प्रेझेंट आहे. It must contains the lone pair of electrons and it attacks on the carbonyl carbon atom. Okay. So now this lone pair of electron, it will attack on carbonyl carbon atom and this bond will get transferred here. Okay. नायट्रोजन कडे लोन पेर असल्यामुळे तो काय करतो, लोन पेर डोनेट करतो कोणाकडे, कार्बोनिल कार्बन कडे, कारण की त्याला गरज आहे. Okay, so now next step is here nitrogen and these bonds, here NH, here OR. जशाच तसं ठेवायचं, इथं काहीच बदल करायचे. ओके. आता बघा हा नायट्रोजन कुठे अटॅच झालेला आहे, इथं 1 2 3 4 नंबरिंग करून घ्यायचं. जर कळत नसेल तर सरळ सरळ नंबरिंग करून घ्यायची आणि चलायचं. बघा 1 2 3 नायट्रोजन विल गेट्स अटॅक ऑन कार्बन कार्बन पोझिशन. मग हा कार्बन कार्बन पोझिशन कसं येणार, नायट्रोजन हायड्रोजन. ओके. हियर कार्बोनिल कार्बन आले 1 2 3. बघा 1 2 आणि 3 आहे बरोबर, आणि लगेच नायट्रोजन काय आहे, अटॅच आहे. ओके. Cl आपला हा रिमूव्ह झालेला आहे. कसं, कारण की हा बॉन्ड परत वरी जावरती परत खाली येतो आणि म्हणजेच असं समजा, आणि लगेच हा Cl इथून रिमूव्ह होतो. ओके. तर मग नेक्स्ट स्टेप आहे काय आहे बघा, म्हणून आपल्याला हा प्रोडक्ट इथे भेटला आहे. आता बघा हा नायट्रोजन आहे. ओके. हा पण नायट्रोजन जमला असता, परंतु बट why, because here also nitrogen is present and here also lone pair of electron is also present. Okay. But here when this nitrogen having the lone pair of electron, it attacks on this carbon, then it will get the 5-membered cyclic ring. But when this nitrogen having the lone pair of electron will attack on this side, then it will form the 6-membered cyclic ring. But here 6-membered cyclic ring, 6-membered cyclic ring is less than 5-membered. It means that 5-membered cyclic ring is greater than 6-membered cyclic ring. मोस्टली 5-membered cyclic फॉर्म होण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा. ओके. कारण की 5-membered रिंग हा स्टेबल असतो. म्हणून आपण काय करू, हा नायट्रोजनचा लोन पेअर इलेक्ट्रॉन इथे अटॅक करू आणि हा Br निघून जाईल. And Br acts here leaving group. Okay, Br acts as a leaving group. So now next step काय असेल मग बघा, इकडे घेते मी, थोडीशी रिॲक्शन मोठी आहे. ओके, काय प्रोडक्ट नेक्स्ट स्टेपमध्ये नायट्रोजन, हिअर ऑल्सो नायट्रोजन. आता काय होईल, हा नायट्रोजनचं न्यूक्लियर इलेक्ट्रॉन कुठे अटॅक होईल, इथे अटॅक होईल. म्हणजेच 5 membered cyclic ring is formed like this, and the Br gets removed while it is a good leaving group. Here OR. बाकीचे अल्किल ग्रुप विशेष ठेवायचे. ओके, आता बघा नेक्स्ट स्टेप काय असेल आपली. यस, कॅन यू गेस. नेक्स्ट स्टेप असेल नायट्रोजन प्रेझेंट आहे, शेवटची लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेझेंट आहे. ओके, सो नाव दिस लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल अटॅक ऑन दी कार्बोनिल कार्बन. अजून एकदा कार्बोनिल कार्बनवरती अटॅक होईल आणि हा काय होईल, इकडे हायड्रोजन फॉर्म. ओके, सो नाव OH इज फॉर्म. बघा काय लिहिते, इथं पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज येईल, इथं नाही, इथंच पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज बरोबर, कारण की नायट्रोजन हॅविंग ओनली 3 bonds but here getting 4 bonds. 1 bond is extra, so that's why here positive charge will come. आहे पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज, नायट्रोजनचे लोन पेअर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कुठे झाले, अटॅक इथे झाले बरोबर. म्हणजेच काय इथं डबल बॉन्ड येईल आणि हा काय OH फॉर्म होईल. ओके, आता बघा नेक्स्ट स्टेप काय असेल, हायड्रोजन आहे इथं पण हायड्रोजन घ्यायचा. हायड्रोजन विल गेट्स बॉन्डेड हिअर and this will gets attack here and this bonded will take the nitrogen. कारण की नायट्रोजनमध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज हा स्टेबल नसतो, म्हणून त्याला काय करावे लागते, त्याची जी बॉन्डिंग पेअर आहे ती रिटर्न करावी लागते. ओके, सो नाव नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज, नाव दिस इज दी फायनल प्रोडक्ट. इथे डबल बॉन्ड, हायड्रोजनचे डबल बॉन्ड, हा हायड्रोजन इथे डबल बॉन्ड आला. आणि हा ओके, दिस इज द फायनल प्रोडक्ट. Yes, so now third example is, so now our here third example is this molecule is getting reacted with 2,4 pentane diol in presence of heat in the first step, and in the second step is H2SO4 and H2SO4 is the source of proton, that is addition. Okay, so now how the reactant will reacts with the reagent. Let us see now. NH2, and the reagent is our 2,4 pentane diol. Okay, diol. These two carbonyl carbons are present here. Therefore, the two diols are present. Okay. So now our first step is here nitrogen. Nitrogen is present, and this nitrogen contains the lone pair of electrons, and this will attract on carbonyl carbon, and this will get here. Okay. So now next step is this OMe. OMe means what? Methoxy group. Okay. OMe is methoxy group, that is methyl plus oxygen is called as methoxy group. And here nitrogen gets attached on the carbonyl carbon. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here now okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here double bond and here OH and here methyl. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now waiting. This nitrogen containing the lone pair of electrons will attach on this carbonyl carbon, and this carbonyl carbon having the double bonded it will forward in the OH product. It will forward in the OH product, and our second step will be, what is the second step now? Yes, this lone pair of nitrogen, again the nitrogen having the lone pair of electron, that it will get converted here into double bond, and this double bond is attacked on carbonyl carbon, and this will get here. Okay, so now this is the second step. From here, can I write this? Okay, I will write here. Here OMe, here OMe, here nitrogen, and here OH, Me, and the bond will attaches here, then this OH. Okay, this OH is present here, and this methyl. Okay, and here, so here hydrogen remains, and here hydrogen remains. Okay, so now this is the next step that we have done here. So our next step will be hydrogenation, that is this hydrogen will gets into its double bonded, here double bond present na, so here nitrogen containing positive charge, because nitrogen contains only three bonds, but here 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. The 4 bonds are present, so the nitrogen contains the positive charge, and this positive charge, this hydrogen will get converted into double bond, and this nitrogen will get returning into its original bond. Okay, so now next step is regaining of the benzene ring. here OMe, here nitrogen, and here hydrogen. This is OMe, that is methoxy group. Okay, here also OH and Me, and here also OH and Me. Our last step is that dehydration. Our last step is dehydration, that is from here hydrogen and this will get removed, and from here this hydrogen and this will get removed, that is minus 2H2O. Two molecules of water molecules get removed. Okay, so now the final product is OMe, here Me, methyl, here also methyl, and here nitrogen. Okay, and here double bond, here also double bond, and here OMe. This is our final product. Here the options are given here A, B, C and D. From these options, option C is correct. Okay, these are the 3 examples we have done here, and the last 4th example coming. So now in this, any doubt from regarding this video? If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box and tell me what is your doubt. And if you like this video, so subscribe my channel, that's why you get a notification. Okay, you get notification, therefore you can subscribe my channel and share this video to everyone. So now this is our last example, that is this molecule, this compound is formed in the presence of base, we have to treat. So now here this is in cyclohexane form. This is in cyclohexane form, and we can also write in chair conformation. We can also write in chair conformation that because due to this form the product will get in easily. Okay, this is an axial, हा part axial असतो आणि हा part equatorial असतो. Okay, so now here also axial part आहे हा, इथे येणार आणि OH. Okay, this is clear. आलं axial part असतो आणि हा equatorial part, हा axial part, हा equatorial part. So now here the hydrogen is present here. Okay, next step is base आहे. बेस काय करतो, प्रोटॉन ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट करतो. ओके, प्रोटॉन ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट करतो आणि प्रोटॉन ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट केल्यानंतर हा हायड्रोजन कुठे जाईल, इथे, आणि हा म्हणजेच काय बेस आहे समजा. इथे बेस काय करेल, प्रोटॉन ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट करेल. हा प्रोटॉन, हा बॉन्ड इथे जाईल आणि हा सर्क्युलर बनलेला असेल. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज बेस सोबत काय प्रेझेंट आहे, हायड्रोजन प्रेझेंट आहे, बरोबर. तर मग पुढे काय होईल, हा बेस सोबत हायड्रोजन आहे, बरोबर. म्हणजेच हा जो आहे हायड्रोजन ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट करेल आणि बेस रिमूव्ह. ओके, बेस रिमूव्ह म्हणजेच जेव्हा असा अटॅक करेल next step आहे. Yes. हा जो बेस ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट केला हायड्रोजन अगोदर पहिला एक्झिल अटॅक झाला होता. नंतरच्या स्टेपमध्ये इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप दी हायड्राइड दी बेस दिस carbon will gets attacks on base to take the proton in the equatorial position. From the equatorial position, that's why this product will form. Okay, that's why this is the final product. Okay, so now regarding this video, if you have any doubt, you can share with me or you can comment in the comment box, so I will give you answer. Okay, thank you.